Hi, Amy here, and I want to welcome you to Deep Research Rocket AI Instant Expert. Deep Research Rocket reveals how you can leverage the emerging deep research tools that are being developed by pretty much all of the AI generator companies right now, and they all have free levels available, or they're included if you have a paid plan. And what's great about these is they allow you to do really in-depth niche research, competitor research, and much more, so you can uncover what people are looking for in any niche, what type of content to create, and how to be successful. And this is incredibly powerful because it really allows you to do pretty much anything in terms of content with printables, written content, whatever you want to do. And Deep Research Rocket not only shows you how to get the best results out of deep research, but we also share how to take that deep research content and actually build it into sellable products and tools and content that people actually love and people want to buy over and over again. So just a quick illustration here. You can see, for example, ChatGPT. If you come here, you can see run deep research. And then if you go to Perplexity, for example, you can see on this, it'll show you that I have 3 deep research queries remaining today because I have a free level with them. I don't have a paid level. And what this is going to allow you to do is going to allow you to actually get massive amounts of highly researched topics, contents, links, analysis, and more. And this isn't just available with ChatGPT and Perplexity. You can also access deep research functions in Google Gemini and in Claude as well, and it's probably coming in other products and tools too over time. In addition to this, as I mentioned with Deep Research Rocket, you also have the ability to take your deep research content, and I've actually built a custom GPT here. Then it's going to allow you to upload your niche research that you've done, and then it's going to take that and put that into highly valuable structured content that you can then use to grow your audience, to sell, whatever you want to do with it. So this is extremely powerful. I'm really excited to bring this to you because this is the types of things that companies pay millions and billions of dollars for each and every year, and now we can use it ourselves to develop our products, our content, and grow our business.